Alright, so today, this afternoon, we're gonna watch a new song from Philip. Philip Superior son, man. Philip Superior, I mean. Which is entitled Sulfur. Element ba yung sulfur? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero yeah, huwag natin patagalin to. This is freaking interesting. At saka ang pogi nito sa cover art, so let's do it, man. Philip Sulfur. Let's do it. Damn, it's a rock song, man. Rocking the, ano nga tawag dito? Tiffany's? Ah, ano ba tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko, hindi to Tiffany's eh. Alam ko, mahal tong mga ito, para mga sa 200k, 300k. Damn, man. Payaman. Ano ang tawag nito? May tawag dito eh. I forgot the name. May motor.
Little smoke, keep the roast with me. Pop the gun when you swerving, baby. Rockstar, make the boys crazy. Yeah, gonna do you down. In the bank, is stressed out. In the run, I'm cold. But I make him crushed out. If his bitches broke, she hurt on the gun. Rid up his line of a little bit of smoke. Stop on the clutch, pain that she burning that shit by the blue. Walking loud, it hardy. Too stiff, getting sturdy. Rub the show in a collie. On the toes, they're on me. Drop it, slash, sweep heavy. Trip the shoes, get cocky. Stepping on fake stars in the city. The fuck with his bitches, I don't even feel me. I'm ready to.
I just heard fuck and bitches in the same sentence, man. This is crazy. I heard fuck and bitches in the same sentence. So this is oh damn. All right.
Getting sturdy. Rub the show in a collie. On the toes, they're on me.
Yeah, Chrome Hearts. Thanks for that. That's Chrome Hearts, and it's freaking expensive. By the way, this is not one of my favorite genres, itong ganitong style, but Philip sounds good. Hindi lang siya, hindi lang siya favorite genre ko, but it sounds good.
Drop it, slash, sweep heavy. Trip the shoes, get cocky. Stepping on fake stars in the city. The fuck with his bitches, I don't even feel me. I'm ready so heavy, can pick it up. Catching my package, sticking up. Boy, tryna flex cause I'm big enough. I'm a pretty boy, they be tryna nerf. The way that I'm rolling, the dice and mud. Bitches entitled, they pushing up. No, they ain't shit, can't pick it up. Fuck out of here with a fake love. Little smoke, keep the roast with me. Pop the gun when you swerving, baby.
Angas talaga ang angas ng tunog, talagang bagay sa kanya. Well, man, it doesn't give AF kung ano man yung isipin at opinion ng iba. That's what I'm getting here. He just does what he wants. Ito yung trip niya genre, ito yung trip niyang klase ng kanta. Talagang ginagawa niya lang yung he's doing him. That's what I'm gonna say. Talagang ito yung trip niyang persona and genre. So, yeah, man. It sounds right. It sounds right. Right about him. Kasi ganito naman din yung persona at bagay na bagay sa kanya. So, let's go.
It's crazy. Yeah, gonna do you down here. A cannonball. Got coin on my waist. Head to toe. That brings you little taste. She wanna know. Now bitches all going crazy. She gotta go. Burn the shit with sulfur.
I heard fucking.
Candy with this block is bitches out here. Little smoke, keep the roast with me.
It sounds Philip coded, man. This is Philip right here. Talagang genre niya talaga to, and wow, I'm digging the looks. Trip ko tong looks niya. Okay, I'm gonna check the lyrics. Tingnan natin kung ano yung tawag nito. Sulfur. Di ba parang may event siya? Kasi hindi ko masyadong maintindihan yung lyrics, so I think it's fair that we search for it. Okay, let's get back.
Little smoke, keep the roast you with me. Pop the gun when you swimming, baby. Rockstar, make the boys crazy. Gaggy, gonna doze it down here. In the bank, it's stressed out. In the run, I'm cold. But I make him crushed out. This bitch is broke. She hurt in the car, rid up his line and lit up his smoke. Stop on the clutch, painted, she burning that shit by the blue. Walking around it hardy, too stiff, getting sturdy. Rub the show in a collie, on the toes, they around me. Drop it slash, with heavy. Trip the shoes, get cocky. Stepping on fake stars in the city. Don't fuck with this bitch, I hold it, feel me. I really take it up. Catching my package, sticking up. Boy, tryna flex, cause I'm big enough. I'm a pretty boy, they be tryna nerf. The way that I'm rolling, the dice and
What the fuck? I love that. Boy trying to flex cause I'm big enough. I'm that pretty boy that they be trying to nerf. Damn, to rhyme big enough and trying to nerf is freaking nice. It's smooth. Big enough, trying to nerf. To make that rhyme, that's freaking awesome. The heck? Damn, man, ang angas naman itong punyeta na to. Let's go. Wow.
Cause I'm big enough. I'm a pretty boy, they be tryna nerf. The way that I'm rolling, the dice and mud. Bitches entitled, they losing up. No, they ain't shit, can't pick it up. Fuck out of here with a fake love.
Oh my god, that's gotta burn. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro, shoutouts to the fake Philip fan. I think this lyrics is for you. Bitches entitled, delusional. Oh my god. Entitled and delusional. Ouch. No, they ain't shit. Can't back it up. Fuck out of here with that fake love. Oh man. I'm gonna bet na para to sa mga peking supporters. Entitled and delusional. No, they ain't shit. Can back it up. Fuck out of here with that fake love. I don't need your fake love. Because if you really love me, you would accept who I am and who I'm with. Damn, holy shit. This is freaking deep. Wow.
I'm a pretty boy, they be tryna nerf. The way that I'm rolling, the dice and mud. Bitches entitled, they losing up. No, they ain't shit, can't pick it up. Fuck out of here with a fake love. Little smoke, keep the roast you with me. Pop the gun when you swimming, baby. Rockstar.
I'm not gonna lie, not my favorite sound, not my favorite genre, but if I'm the one who made this song, kung ako yung gumawa ng kanta na to and I'm gonna sound trip this shit in my own car, I'm gonna be so proud. Kung ako si Philip at ito yung pinapasound ko sa kotse ko, sobrang proud ako kasi napakayabang ko sa kanta na to, man, and I wanna say this shit. I'm just so happy that Philip is, proud and loud to say all of these things, pre, na parang unapologetically honest, right? Because he wanna say this shit. And I love na this is his alter ego and he can say anything that he wants. I'm happy for him, man. And if I'm the one who wrote this song, I would be proud as well. This is freaking maangas. At the same time, kung pinapakinggan mo siya sa sarili mo, you would make yourself proud. This is nice. Alright.
Can't pick it up. Fuck out of here with a fake love. Little smoke, keep the roast you with me. Pop the gun when you swimming, baby. Rockstar, with the boys crazy. going crazy. Shit gotta go. Learning shit was over. Can't be with this part, this bitch is out. Clear the smoke, keep the roast with me.
Burn the trucks. Got him rare garments they can stand. Laser focus on you, babe. I'm locked in. I think this is for the that woman. He's this is for his girl, man. So parang sinasabi na fuck the bitches, fuck the whack ass bitches out there. And I'm laser focused on you, babe. Damn! Damn, man. Holy shit. This is a love song. Oh my god. So this is how Philip makes a love song for his girl. It's crazy.
Curb when you swerving, baby. Rockstar, with the boy that's crazy. Yeah, down the doors and down here. It came to blow. Got crawling on my waist, head to toe. The pressure, love the taste. She wanna know. Now bitches out going crazy. Shit gotta go. Burning shit with sulfur.
Burn that shit with sulfur. Is sulfur flammable? Yes, sulfur is highly flammable. Damn! Philip has no chill. He wanna burn everybody with sulfur. These toxic bitches. What the heck, man? So that's the gist of it. He is freaking proud with his hearts, the chrome stuff, the expensive limited edition garments, his girl, his woman, and he doesn't care about the stupid bitches that shows fake love. That's what I get. That's Philip for y'all, man. That's Philip for y'all. So that it. Let's go. Damn.